So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit text transparency here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is opened up, for this example, just add some text right here. I'll go ahead and press on add a heading. I'll make the text a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. And I'll just type in the word transparent. Very straightforward. Now, what this basically means, in case you guys are unfamiliar, is just sort of how see-through the text is. So as of right now, there's no transparency with this text, but if you want to edit that, press on the text right here. Go to this top bar in between effects and spacing right here. You can press on the transparency button. Now, by default, as I mentioned before, it's set to 100, not transparent whatsoever. But if you were to slide this bar to the left, the text becomes more transparent or more see-through the further you kind of slide this to the left. So you can make it almost to the point where you can barely see it. You can slide it to the right to make it fully, thick. Whatever the case may be, that's how you guys can edit transparency here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.